I was driving down Harbor Road, Gulf Spring Harbor. You know where the pond is, the lake is,
Yeah.
by St. John's Church. Driving down there, this thing flies in front of my car up into the tree. It must have grabbed the fish out of the lake. Goes across, flew probably 30 yards in front of my car as I was driving. Landed in a tree.
Yeah.
I was like, holy shit, look at the size of that
Yeah,
thing.
the claws they got.
Yeah, I mean, it was a big bird.
Happy holidays, master designers. Tonight we're gonna draw the lizard. Only this time we're adding and drawing some armor onto him.
Oh, wow. Rushing, Giants got 44 yards.
Pathetic.
Total yards, 160. Wow.
There you go.
Time possession's pretty even.
Yeah.
So a 6-point lead. Dallas gets the ball to start. Hope you're enjoying your turkey and your family today. So glad to have you with us. Trifecta of the NFL.
As we remember, Dr. Connors, otherwise known as the Lizard, had a special plan to get his arm back. He came up with a special formula, and then he had an idea for turning the whole city into lizards. It was the next stage in evolution. And to be honest, it would have been great to be half lizard. Deep down, Dr.
Alright.
Connors, otherwise known as, you know what I'm talking about, he's actually a good guy. I see the greatness in Dr. Connors. Hopefully we'll get to see more of him soon. We saw him on the new Spider-Man movie.
Ah, strike sake. And for a 10-yard loss.
There he is, everyone. That is how you draw the lizard from Mega Man. I meant Spider-Man. Get your thoughts on right. And sorry about that, folks. Anyhow, that is how you draw the lizard. I better sign off for now. Relax, everyone. There's going to be more coming soon.